This is my Edpuzzle multimedia project. This is where you can see the students as well as how much of the video they've watched and their grade. So this is where I click on the video. I started out with an audio note. This is my first question. It is an open-ended question. This is my second question. It's a true-false question. This is my third question. It's a multiple-choice question. And finally, this is my final question, which is an open-ended question and my comment with the image. Thank you.